I'm kayaking on the Savage River today. I've come up from Corinna. I've driven 3 kilometres north of Corinna and 3 kilometres in on the Norfolk Road. And at the bridge you can access the river. It's awkward, but it's possible. I've come into here and I've come upstream. It's flowing hard, so it's hard to paddle against it. And I've come to grief here near this. It's that flow there has pushed me into that tree and nearly tipped me in. So I've stopped on this little sand island, just had a bit of a picnic. Some interesting colours, beautiful wilderness kayaking, beautiful river, lovely to see it. Just a 4-hour drive from Hobart, wonderful.